Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make caramel ganache. First, gather your ingredients and equipment. You'll need sugar, heavy cream, butter, and chocolate. Ensure your workspace is ready for the caramelization process. This recipe is perfect for enhancing cakes, cupcakes, or even just enjoying with a spoon. We'll walk through each step to ensure a smooth, delicious result every time. For our caramel ganache, you'll need a few key items. Start with 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of heavy cream, and 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Don't forget 6 ounces of your favorite chocolate, finely chopped. You'll also want a heavy-bottomed saucepan, a whisk, and a heat-proof bowl. Having everything measured and ready makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. The heart of this recipe is the caramelization. Gently melt your sugar in a heavy-bottomed saucepan over medium heat. Watch it closely as it transforms into a beautiful, deep amber liquid. Once caramelized, carefully pour in the warm, heavy cream and butter. Be cautious, as it will bubble vigorously. Whisk until everything is perfectly smooth, creating a rich, buttery caramel sauce. Now for the magic. Pour your hot caramel mixture directly over the chopped chocolate in a heat-proof bowl. Let it sit undisturbed for about 2 minutes. This allows the chocolate to melt properly. Then, gently whisk from the center outwards until you achieve a perfectly smooth, glossy ganache. It will thicken as it cools. For more great deals and the link to those amazing darn tough socks, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.